Hello, I'm Paperman, and check this thing out. So here I have hunted creepers in my deck, but if I search for them, I don't own them. They are in the game, you know, so even golden. You can't craft them. So, okay. Say, yeah, I don't own the adventure, like, I just cheated it. I don't know. I own these two. They just scammed me. Freaking Blizzard. I even in some decks have Mixna, don't know. And even the second wing things, I think sludge belchers are here somewhere. Yes. And Loata is here, so they just scammed me. That's all. It's strange, but yeah, it's suffering. So they just don't like paper people, I don't know. So hope that their rod does not hit you in the face like a truck. That's kinda all. You saw Mike's now and Lothar there, but there's nothing here. If I check for them, I hope they will be here even. Well, there. Oh, sorry. Yes, here's Lothar. And yeah, that's all. Goodbye. Yeah.